Hi there! I will show you an example of bulk processing of attributes. In the present case, the request is to add a suffix, say the letter C, to those attributes that contain only numbers and even numbers with 4 digits. Run the command ZZATT, set the suffix to the letter C and also that the command will be executed on whatever blocks are selected. Then, in the Filter Selection tab, you can specify the types of blocks or their attributes. At this point it is chosen that some phrase filter will be passed to the attributes. All selects all the blocks present in the drawing, separates those that have attributes and opens the phrase filter definition tab for the attributes. Instructions are available for understanding and using wildcards. In this particular example, the filter is defined as 4 hashtags. That is, the command will be executed on all block attributes that have a value consisting of 4 numeric digits. The command was executed on 94 symbol attributes which were appended with the C suffix. Any attributes with a value other than 4 numeric digits were left the same. Of course, you can use the command execution filters in many different ways depending on the needs of each individual case. Thanks for watching this short presentation.